Hey, my name is Peter Janis. I'm here from Radial Engineering to tell you all about the MC3 monitor controller. When we started to develop the monitor controller, the MC3, we thought to ourselves, does the world really need another monitor switcher? Well, unlike some of the switchers that are over the top as far as features, they have all kinds of things that you may not need. And then some of the ones that are just basic switches that don't give you quite enough. We found what we think is the right middle ground. And of course, the MC3 has already won Product of the Year by one magazine, Show Product of the Year from the AES. So, I mean, I think we've hit something that's kind of cool. I think you'll like it. So here we go. It's a two sets of monitors can be switched. So you have A and B sets of monitors. They connect here. So there's your output, so A and B. This is your input. So from your recording system, sets A and B are the outs. We have the ability to hit a sub or turn a sub on just by hitting this switch, and that's a sub output here. Then you can actually go on the top panel here and fine tune how all of those work. So in other words, you can adjust the relative volume control or volume levels between your monitor A set, monitor B set, your sub, so that when you turn the sub on, everything works in tandem. That's really powerful. And the coolest thing about it is that all of it's done passively. What that means is that you're not taking that recording system, running it through some kind of an amplifier or a buffer before it hits your speakers. It is direct. The distortion is virtually zero. So that's the benefit. The other thing, unlike other passive switchers, this volume control is very smooth. We had a custom taper done on a dual potentiometer to achieve this. So this is a very, very cool sounding, very simple. You know, it works really quickly. A, B, away you go. We also added a headphone system on it. So therefore, if you need to throw some earbuds on or some phones, just hit the switch, turn it on, you're set to go with headphones. You can actually hear your mix just like it is going to your monitors, but right from the MC3. Finally, we've added these other switches here, mono compatibility, very important. If you're taking a mix, you want to find out if those mics are in stereo, or sorry, in phase. When in stereo, hit the switch. If you get phase cancellation, boom, you got a problem. You can reverse the polarity. The other advantage here is you've got a dim switch, so that hit that switch, lowers the level in the studio. You can talk to someone, bring it back up without touching any of the buttons. So it's really functional. So we think you're going to really like this MC3. It's priced right for the marketplace. Essentially, all you need to do is just make sure it fits your studio. Talk to one of the sales engineers at Sweetwater. They can help you out. We think it's the perfect device for small studios. We love it. You know, we're excited about it. So here you go, the MC3, Peter Janis, here on behalf of Sweetwater.